Damn, Missy Mari got beats.
Hello guys, so nanako diri karon sa pound for pound. So another day for another workout. And it's a Wednesday guys. Gamay ra kay mi diri karon. Di ko magsaba unsa na orasa. Look how many people. Just 1, 2 and I think 4 all. 5 din na diyang isa nag-CR siguro. Bicep workout ko karon. Nakasugod nako. Gikan ako sa stretching nako. Wala na ako nag warm up workout nako. So sugod na ko ani. Then pang third round ako. So guys, kay dili man ko magpahimog bodybuilder, ginagmay ra ni ako mga anang masakto lang gud, makat lang ang atong mga ma-shred, I mean matone lang atong mga muscles. Sana lang gud dili kay mudako ug ayo atong mga muscles. Mo ra akong goal karon kay na-achieve naman akong isa na ko ka goal nga mugamay. So nagamay nako. So magpa-kuan puta, magpa-throw na puta sa tong mga lawas. Hey.
You're never gonna make it. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. Yeah, maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Really fucking fight. I really fucking fight.
You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they're giving them, you're not like a stray kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you're just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to get
You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. Yeah, maybe you could fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
So mobalik ko niya hapon, dayon i-resume na ko akong workout niya. So later, okay? So hello guys, nakabalik ako. Gikan ko nagtrabaho, balik ko karon para mag workout balik. And nakoy surprise karon gamay. Karon lang po ko kabalo nga mo anhing man day shop. So PBA player siya. And nakauban ako siya sa Letran sa una. Star player sa dito. And wala to lang ako siya moabot. Ngit-ngit. So magulat lang ko niya moabot sa dere para isang karangalan na dayon. Ala, isang malaking karangalan. Awards.
Ay, bito-bito din.
Nakakuha na gid ko sa imo balik ba? Nakakuha na gid sa imo mga one ka ba? Umuta kay mag-gym. Uy, grabe, mag-gym naman gani, humot man kayo. So, to samtang gaulat ko sa iya gani ha. Nag 7 minute na ko sugod and so guys, nauman na ako ang 7 minute warm up workout, 3 rounds and balik kami sa Metafit. Metafit po din no? Ay mo paborito. So dili na ako pugson akong kagalingon no, sakit na ka akong kamot, akong wrist. Gagamit ko weights gani ha, so dili na ako pugson og ayo. Videoan lang nako ni akong kauban. Sayang dinabuhat. Dahil lagid basta sikat. Inana ako kasikat sa una. Inana ako kasikat sa una. Kaso na laos lang ko galit.
That's 100 in the works. We the top to finish first. Whole squad looking cursed. Minus touch on every verse. Counted 100 of these, ayy. Counted 100 of weeks, ayy. Started our Q to a 3, ayy. Now in the hills on this heat, ayy. We the rebels, not the saints. Fuck with us, got no restraints. Freedom pouring out our veins. Break the hell out of these chains. Feels like I'm going insane. Cause I haven't made a name. Conquered then we came. Get the hell out of my way, ayy. 100, go count it. 100, go count it. 100 tracks, never missed a week. Fucking count it. 100, go count it. 100, go count it. 100.
Nauman na ang Metafit, wala na ako ihuman kay sakit yun akong wrist. So abs workout na din ko karon, di na malimtan ang abs workout every inani sa last time. So di na ako manon akong vlog. Salamat sa iyong pagtanaw. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and Kadu, see you on the next video. Bye!